Yeah, hello everyone, I'm Akshay is from Sivan Krishna College of Engineering. Today I'm going to discuss on the top internship seminar presentation on design for line follower robot. So these are the contents. These are the contents of my which I'm going to discuss today. The company profile, introduction, objectives, plan of work, block diagram, flow algorithm, hardware and software components, advantages and disadvantages, application, research and discussions. Yeah. So this is the company profile. This company is established in 2016 and a high quality competitive price products and service customer embedded solutions. These company present major in embedded solutions and these are internships which are secure from the company. Let's come to the introduction part. It's advantages of robotics. Advantages advantages of robotics: high performance, high accuracy, low labor costs, ability to work in hazardous situations, human follow robot and industrial automation, a core compatibility and expandability across different audio boards. Ultrasonic sensors large range and can be used in any lighting conditions. So these are the objectives: assistant companionship, autonomous navigation, user interaction, longevity, and reliability. So the assistant and companionship. So for the human blind follower robot, the assistant and the robot can assist the human and can produce and can interact with the like for the human and which it can help out in several multiple ways. So autonomous navigation. So the navigation is by default in the robot and there is no need of any manual navigation. So use the interaction. So the robot can as well perform and interact with the human as well as and the other users too. So longevity and reliability. So when the human blind robot are made accordingly, these can be sustained for very long and can be more reliable compared to other robots. So these are the plan of the work in which I've done in the first week. So introduction to the company, I learned the C-Sang in C languages, there's operator loops and strings, and management in C language and codes in C language. I learned all this in the first week of the internship, and the second week I learned the history of the embedded system, keywords, difference between controller and processors. I learned about Arduino, implementation of basic structures using Arduino, and LCD using Arduino display text, and other words. And the third week I have done on the some of the advanced project like Raspberry Pi project based on Raspberry Pi and Python and its application interface definition using like main I learned more about the Raspberry Pi of the in the other project. So on the fourth we learned on IoT and its applications, definition and importance, develop alcohol detection to our drinking system, and all these projects I learned using this is done using IoT. So this is the block diagram which comes in the ultrasonic sensor, Arduino microcontroller, motor driver, DC motor 1 and DC motor 2. With sensors, vision sensors, capture image of the surrounding to detect and target the human target. This sensor ultrasonic radar measure the distance between the robot and obstacle to avoid collisions. So processing unit microcontroller, single board computer, processor sensors, joints control algorithm and coordinates the robot's action. Actuators, motor drives control the movement of the wheels to actuate to navigate the robot. Chassis and mechanical components, frames provide structural support for mounting components. And the housing the robot's electronics, wheel selects enable the locomotion movement according to the navigation commands. So hardware and software requirements. These are the hardware and software requirements. Microcontroller board Arduino Uno. Ultrasonic sensor HCS has a 4 motor driver IC DC motor power supply. So these are the hardware software requirements of these. So software requirements are Arduino IDE and embedded C. So advantages of the is the core compatibility and expanded across the different Arduino boards. Cost is less as Arduino is open source. The schematic of Arduino is open source. So for future enhancement of the project, they can be extended to add more hardware features. Ultrasonic sensors has large range and can be used in any lighting conditions. The disadvantages of the personal privacy concerns, complexity, costs, legal and regulatory charges, maintenance requirements, environmental justice concerns, dependency on technology. So the applications: assisted living and elderly care, hospitality and customer service, education and entertainment, retail and inventory management, Emergency response, security and surveillance, personal assistance, rehabilitation. So this can be used in many aspects such as assisted living, elderly care. So these can assist the elderly persons, like they can assist and guide them accordingly to their needs, and hospital and customer services. So these human line follow robot can be used in the a few sectors of the which responds to the customer services. The education environment, of course, for the education environment, these robots can play a vital role, by therefore providing a major source of information to the in the students in the education field and entertainment field. There are many existing human line follow up in the entertainment system. So even though these robots can play a vital role in all the sectors, retail and inventory management. So these can be used in the retail inventory management, emergency response, emergency especially as for police, ambulances, and for fire responses. All those things, these human and follow can play a major role. Security and surveillance, of course, for the security and surveillance, these human and follow can play a main role to find any unwanted interactions of human activities on the private areas. These can play a major role. So personal assisted and rehabilitation. So these human play personalized and rehabilitations. So this is a result and discussion. So this is a project which I have done in the company. So accuracy of tracking measure how accurately the robot can track and follow a human target, including its ability to maintain a consistent distance, direct relative to target's movement, navigation performance, evaluate the robot's navigation capabilities in different environments such as indoors, outdoors, in crowded places, assess its ability to avoid obstacles, navigate through dynamic environment, adapt to changes in terrain or lightning conditions, so safety and collision avoidance. Assess the robot's ability to detect and avoid obstacles or collisions while following a human target, ensuring the safety of both user and those around them. So user experience or solicit feedback from the users to assess their satisfaction with the robot's performance, ease of use, and overall experience. Consider factors such as interface design, responsiveness, and intuitiveness of control mechanism. Reliability and robustness, evaluate the robot's reliability over extended period of operation, including its ability to withstand wear and tear, environmental conditions, and potential technical issues. Measure its uptime, maintenance requirement, and overall substance in real world scenarios. So this is the conclusion of the projects I've done on this thing. So, however, the widespread adoption and success of human follow-up depending upon the addresses, various challenges and considering including privacy concerns, safety risk, regulatory compliance, and social acceptance by prioritizing ethical principles, user-centered design, and continuous innovations. Stakeholders can overcome these challenges and unlock the full potential of human follow robots to enhance efficiency, improve quality of life, and enrich human-robot interaction in the years. Further development collaborations will be crucial to advancing the capabilities, reliability, and accessibility of human follow robots, ultimately paving the way for the future where human and robots coexist harmoniously, supporting and augmenting each other's capabilities, pursuing the shared goals necessary is the conclusion of the project. So, thank you.